Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is, what are we doing here? Write a formula for recursive sequence. So the idea on recursives is that you're always looking backwards. You're looking backwards, you're looking backwards. So, like previous term. So if I had something like a sub n minus 1, that means look at the previous term. When I teach this, I probably also will teach like just n minus 1. That means look back a term. So what's going on here? I look back a term and I do what? So I look back a term and I add 13. I look back a term and add 13. So it's like back a term plus 13. We got something like that? Previous term plus 13. It's right here. So I guess the big piece here is that a sub n minus 1, we read that as previous term. And a sub n minus 2, that would be read as previous term. You're actually going back 2 terms. Okay, so what's going on here? I look at the previous term and I add 6. Look backwards, add 6. Look backwards and add 6. So previous term plus 6. Previous term plus 6, right there. All right. I look back a term and I take away 1. I look back a term and take away 1. Previous term minus 1. Previous term minus 1. This is actually 5/6 of the previous term. This is negative 1 times the previous term. This is previous term plus previous term, previous term plus previous term plus 1. But this is just previous term minus 1. Previous term times 4. Previous term times 4. Previous term times 4. Previous term times 4, or 4 times previous term. Previous term times 3? No, previous term times 7. Previous term times 7. Previous term times 7. 7 times previous term, right there. Previous term times 9. Previous term times 9. 9 times previous term. Ooh, okay, we actually have to build it this time. This is like previous term times, let me pause it. All right, I am back, and I'm going to try to figure out how to do a recursive formula for this sequence. So what is it saying? It's saying previous term times previous term times 3. So what am I doing? I'm going to go let's draw on this. A sub n equals 3 times the previous term, which is a sub n minus 1. I think that's my formula. Let's see if I can get it in there and see if I can get it right. So I'm going to go a sub n equals 3 times a sub n minus 1. Let's see if it's happy with my formatting there. 3 times previous term. Wonderful! All right, this one is previous term plus 10, right? Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Previous term plus 10. Previous term plus 10. This is previous term times 3, no, times 6. Previous term times 6. Previous term times 6. This is, it's a flip-flop, so previous term times negative 7. Previous term times negative 7. Oh, good. Another one where I actually get to write it. Okay, so I'm going to go a sub n equals, what's this? Previous term minus 4. A sub n minus 1 minus 4. Let's see if we can get that into the computer. So a sub n equals a sub n minus 1, so previous term minus 4. Correct. Let's jump a level. So this would be previous term plus 11 plus 11. Got that. All right, so now we're just going to go fractions. We got this. This is previous term times, no, previous term divided by something. Previous term divided by 6. What's 90 divided by 6? 90 divided by 6 is 15. Divided by 6 is 2.5. Okay, so it's previous term divided by 6. Previous term divided by 6. Okay, so a sub n equals, I'm going to go with a fraction. Let me do this. Well, let me go with the, nope. How about 1/6 of the previous term? Right? Multiplying by 1/6 is the same thing as dividing by a 6. So 1/6 of the previous term. Nice. Previous term minus 12. Previous term minus 12, previous term minus 12. No, a sub n equals previous term minus 12. Awesome. I'm going to jump a level. Ooh, okay. So you see how I've got an a sub 1 and an a sub 2? That means I'm going to use a previous term type of problem. So this is actually previous term plus previous term, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is, no, it's not. 1 plus 1 is 2. No. What is going on here? It's previous term. Ooh, I do not know. Let's see if I can work this one out. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. It's previous term times 2. So to get this guy, I look back here and multiply it by 2. To get this guy, I go back here and multiply it by 2. It's previous term times 2. So a sub n equals a sub n minus 2 times 2, the 2 right there. Nice. Previous term plus previous term, right? Because 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. Is this the Fibonacci? I can't recall. And so we're going to go with a sub n equals previous term, a sub n minus 1 plus previous term, a sub n minus 2. Excellent, and I'm in the challenge zone. Okay, and that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.